There are certain things we do that can help people tip off about what kind of individuals we are. The way we dress, the music we listen to, or the movies we watch can supposedly indicate our personalities. Curiously, the same can be said on how we drive our cars. For example, did you know that having a predilection for sports cars can make others think that you're one to take risks wherever you go? While that is still far from being proven true, it is important to know what kinds of car color to choose if you want to get the best auto insurance in California. For one, there is still the prevailing notion that owning a red car can cause you to speed recklessly over the state limit. Why is that so? Well, red is known all across the board as signifying aggression. Of course, that doesn't mean that it's any more true than, say, seeing a yeti in the wilds. But since that little factoid has been hardwired into our brains thanks to 1,000 years' worth of evolution, you just can't fault some insurance agents if they're initially hesitant to grant your car a coverage if they're immediately greeted by a brightly colored red car standing in front of them. There are also swirling myths about car insurance providers setting your premium rates depending on what color your car has on at that time. For instance, some folks believe that using your car's vehicle identification number, VIN, can allegedly help you predict the premium that is going to be charged to your car. Well, here's the thing, color is all well and good if you're trying to ace your psychology exam, but most insurance policies can care less about what paint color your car is rocking on. It doesn't take much to notice that determining a person by the color he prefers just escapes logic. Isn't it better if you're more worried about the way you drive rather than the way your car look? The car model, the way in which you paid your car, and yes, even your driving record are usually the ones that are being assessed by most car insurance companies out there. To give you an inkling of how the state assesses the worth of your car, it usually gets its hard data from the Highway Loss Data Institute, HLDI, a nonprofit organization which keeps tabs on the average losses and liabilities that are expected from every car brand, manufacturer, model, or engine which has ever set foot on a highway here in the United States. In other words, they're the first thing that you should think of when seeing a crash dummy being slammed against a huge concrete wall. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.